It is not working.
It sounds like it's working lethal too.
Here, Pete. Why don't you try a little bit?
Where's the hole in
it?
Where's the hole?
Mr. Store!
Where's the hole?
Pete, you're letting all the shit.
Where's the hole
Like
at?
it's at the end. It is right there. Don't be an idiot. Put your fucking mouth at the end of it. Did you find it?
I think I found it.
I think I found it for sure. My voice, it keeps falling out though. It's gone already.
Mr. Store! Oh man, that's a lot of air.
Just fucking put the
cannot
whole
find
thing.
it.
Put the whole thing in my mouth. Squeeze.
Found it.